Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
And hello, Emma. And hello to all the wonderful listeners. I'm Jack. It's great to have you here.
Today, we're talking about work and free time, two big parts of daily life.
Yes, because everyone works, studies, or does something during the day, and everyone loves free time.
That's right. So today we'll learn simple English phrases you can use when you talk about your job, your study, or what you do after work.
Before we start, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe, and practice with us every week.
Okay, let's get started. Let's start with some easy work phrases. Repeat after us, okay?
Here's the first one. I work in an office. Repeat. I work in an office.
Nice. You can change the word office. For example, I work in a school. I work in a shop. I work from home.
Emma, where do you work?
I work at a language school. I teach English to beginners, just like you.
Nice. I work online. I talk with people from different countries. It's fun.
Good job. So here's a question for you, our listeners. Where do you work or study? Think about your answer and say it out loud.
Let's add another phrase. I start work at 9 o'clock. Repeat. I start work at 9 o'clock.
Perfect. You can also say, I finish work at 5, or I work from 9 to 5.
I work from 9 to 5. Good job.
Okay, let's relax a little. Now we talk about free time.
Yes, after work, we all need some fun.
So, what do you do in your free time, Jack?
I like reading and cooking. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park. What about you, Emma?
I love watching movies. My favorite is animation. It helps me relax.
Nice. Here are some simple free time phrases for you to learn. I like watching movies. I go for a walk. I play games. I listen to music.
Let's repeat them slowly. Ready? I like watching movies. I go for a walk. I play games. I listen to music.
You're doing great. Keep practicing. Say them again later when you're cooking or walking. That's how real English practice works.
Okay, let's quickly review today's key phrases.
From the work section. I work in an office. I start work at 9 a.m. I work from 9 to 5.
And from free time, I like watching movies. I listen to music. I go for a walk.
Nice job, everyone. You're improving already.
Before we finish, we have a fun question for you. What do you do in your free time?
Tell us in the comments or practicing it out loud right now.
Remember, speak a little English every day. Even 5 minutes helps.
Thanks for listening to Learn English with Daily Life.
See you next time, and keep practicing English with a smile.